Welcome to the Hiya Prakashan Academy. I am Priyanka and today we are learning numerology in maths. What will we be learning in this whole chapter? We will learn whole numbers, even and odd numbers, prime number, composite number, Roman numerals, place and face value. This is what we are going to learn. Let's discuss what is a whole number. Whole number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. What is whole number? Let's take an example. Whole number is nothing but which is completely available, like 0 to infinity. No fraction, no decimal or no negative, only positive number from 0 to infinity or so on. And if I ask a question, smallest whole number, what is the smallest whole number? Then answer is 0, because it whole number system start from 0. Whole number system start from 0 and it is the infinity set. Remember this, it is the infinity set. Let's take the look even and odd number. Let's discuss what is even number. Even number is divided by 2. Example 2, 4, 6. Even number is divided by 2 and it's end with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Remember this, it end with this digit. The odd number is divided by not divided by 2. That means after dividing the any number by 2 and remainder will be anything 1, 3, 5. That means it is an odd number. And odd number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Always remember odd number ending with this and even ending with this. This is the overview of even and odd number and used to group or divide object equally. And what even number can divide a number in equal two parts. But if I take odd number, then odd number cannot able to divide into two parts, prime number and composite number. What is prime number? Prime number is nothing but we can say only two factors available for it. If I take 2, then factors of 2. What is the factors of 2? Only 1 and 2. That means 1 is constant in prime number and the 2 itself. Prime number are those number which is divided by only 1 and itself. And if I take the composite number, that means it has more than 2 factors. If I take 2 and 2 is divided by 1, this is a constant, and then it is divided by 2 also, it is divided by 4 also. That means it has more than 2 factors. It is a composite number. This is how we can find it is a prime or composite number. 1 is either prime or not composite. Only a 1 is a number that is either prime or not composite. That means दोनों ही नहीं है 1. It is the only whole number, or we can say natural number, but it is not prime and composite number. Let's take Roman numerals up to 1000. This is the symbols indicates the basic number. Let's take Luke. If I take I is indicate 1, V is indicate 5, X is indicate 10, L is indicate 50, C is 100, D is 500, M is 1000. This are the basic number, and there are the 2 rules of the basic number. Write the large number first, then smaller number, then we perform addition. If I write, and what is L? 50. Then after that we write 10. X is 10. That means we perform addition, then we get 60. If I write XL, smaller number first, 10. and bigger number after. Then we perform subtraction. Then we get 40. This is how we can derive a numbers by using addition and subtraction rule. If I tell you, if any MCQ comes, large number, how to derive the large number, place value and a face value. Place value is nothing but the value depend of a position. It is the number you can see. They ask value of a 4. Then before getting the value of or the place value of n numbers, we identify the position of number. Is it at the ones, it is at the tens, it is at 100 place, it is at the 1000, it is at 10,000, it is at the lakh place. This is how we can get the place value. The face value is nothing but number itself. There is no big deal in a face value. Only place value is need the position of that number, then we get the place value. Let's take a look. The practice MCQs. Which number is the smallest whole number? Whole number start from 0. That means smallest whole number is 0. How many even numbers are there between 21 and 40? They ask 21 to 40. How many even numbers? Even numbers end with 0, 4, 6, 8 and 2. Okay, let's take a look. 22 is an even number. After that 24, 20, 6, 28, 30, 31, 32, 34, 36, 38. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are the 9 even numbers between the range 21 to 40. Then D is the correct answer. They ask between, that means we start from 40 and end with 39. Let's discuss another MCQ. Which number is either prime or NOR composite? I already said only one number is either prime nor composite. One is either prime or NOR composite because there is only one factor of 1. And let's take another MCQ. What is the face value of 9? What is face value? Face value is nothing but number itself. That means face value of 9 in this number is 9. Then C is the correct answer. Which number is follow is the prime number? What is prime number? Prime number is nothing but it has only two factors, 1 and itself. If I take 51, 51 has 1 then more factor. 1 is a factor of a 51. Then I think 17 or 19 is a 51 also a factor of itself. Then A is the option incorrect. 49 has more than 1. 1 is a factor, 7 is a factor, 49 is a factor. That means 49 is incorrect. Let's say 37. 37 is a number. It has only two factors, that is 1 and 37. And C is the correct answer. D also has more than two factors, that is 1, 7, 21. What is the place value of 7 in 87,456? 87,456. After 7 there are the 3 zeros, that means the place value of 7 is 7,000. Then option A is the correct option. Identify the odd number. First of all, what is the odd number? Odd number is nothing but after dividing by 2, it reminds something or reminder is 1, and also it's end with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Option is 12, option B 28, option C 33, option D 64. Which is the number is an odd number? With option C, it's end with 33. Let's do division. Then remainder will be 1. How many factors does 1 have? Factors of 1. Only one factor has, that is 1. What is the Roman number for the 44? It is interesting question. 44. Let's take 44. For making of 44, there is no base value for 40. Then how will I derive 44? But I have L, that is 50, X, that is 10. I have L, that is 50, X, that is 10. Then, but I have to perform subtraction. To do subtraction, simply write smaller number first, that is X, after that bigger number, after that L. And 4, we already know IV is a 4. Then our answer is XLIV. Then which is the correct option? A is the correct option for Roman number 44. Let's take out some MCQ. Which of the following is not whole number? Before discussing this MCQ, whole number is nothing but the whole integer number. It cannot be decimal, fraction or anything or negative number. It should be a positive number. It starts from 0 to infinity. When in this case you clearly see B is a decimal number, that means it is not the whole number. The number is 81. 81 is a prime, composite, neither are even. Is it a prime? Absolutely not. It is not prime number. It has more than one factor. It has 1, 9, 81. It has more than 2 factor. It is not the prime number. Neither, also not correct answer. Even. Is it an even number? It is end with 1. That means it is not the even number. Still we will do division for the cross verification. 2 4s are 8. Remainder is 1. That means it is the odd number. It is not the even number. Then option D is incorrect and it has more than 2 factors. That means it is a composite number. The sum of the first 2 odd number is, they are sum of a first 2 odd number. The number system start from 1. Then let's take 1 is the odd number. After a 1 there is a 3 is the odd number. There are first 2 odd number, that is 1 and 3. Addition of 1 and 3 is 4. Then which is the correct option? B. Our addition comes B. 4 is the correct option. What is the value of XL in Roman number? First understand XL. XL. X means 10 and L means 50. If smaller number come first and after that larger number come, that means we have to perform subtraction. Then do subtraction. 10 minus 50. that is 40. Then our answer comes 40. Then which is the correct option? 50, 60, 40 and 45. C is the correct option. Let's take a next example. In the number 6,70,432, what is the place value of 1? They ask place value of ones. Let's take a 1,70,000. After that 432. Let's take 1. After 1, how many digits in this number? 1, 2, 3, 4. 0. There are 4. Write 4 0 after 1. Then our answer comes 10,000. Our answer comes 10,000. Then which option is correct? 100, 10,000, 1 lakh or 1,000? Option B is correct, 10,000. Which digit is thousand place? They ask which digit in the thousand place. 46,237. Which number is come at thousand place? It is at ones, it is at tens, it is at thousand, it is at 100 place, it is at 100 place, it is at 1,000 place, it is at 10,000 place. And what they ask? The digit is in the 1,000 place. That means 6. Option A is the correct option. What is the successor of the largest two-digit number? Two-digit whole number. What is successor? Successor nothing but after that number which number comes. They ask largest two-digit number. Let's find out which is the largest two-digit number. Largest two-digit number is 99. They ask what is the successor. What does it mean successor? Successor means after that number which number comes. After that number 100 comes. That means which is the correct option? A. 100 come after 99. That is biggest two-digit number. Which of the following is not prime number? What is prime number? Prime number is only have two factors, 1 and itself. 23. Is 23 is a prime number? No, it has more than two factors. It is not correct. 29 is also incorrect. 33 is right. 33 is correct answer. This is the homework for you. Take a screenshot of this homework and do your homework. In this chapter, you learn numerology, whole numbers, even and odd number, prime numbers, composite numbers, and you solve the many examples or MCQ on this, and also do your homework. And thank you.